Hi guys, good day. This is Joy of Joyful Creations. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today our video tutorial is about creating an adorable yet easy spring centerpiece using old teapot as our flower vase. So the materials that we need to create this centerpiece are the following. We need old teapot, lavender, roses, tiny flowers for fillers, and our floral foam. Since we're just using faux flowers for this arrangement, any dry foam or any kind of foam will do. You just need to put it inside the teapot, fill it with the styrofoam inside so it will serve as a good support for the flowers. So we're just gonna start with the tallest flowers that we have. In my case, it's the lavender, and it's about like 8 to 10 inches in length. And I will put it in the center of our arrangement. And then I will put the roses. These are big roses. I just got this from the Dollar Tree. And I just bent the stem close to the petals so it will have this kind of effect. I will put 4 roses in all directions to create balance in our arrangement, to create symmetry. Just repeat the process with all the roses that you have for this area that we're gonna put in. And then I'm gonna put these same flowers for fillers, the lavender. This time it's shorter, and I bent the stem closer to the flowers so it will be going towards our arrangement. I put it in between our roses. And I have 2 of these fillers that are kind of pinkish in colors, and I'm just gonna put them close to this tallest lavender we have in our arrangement, so it will just look fuller. But still, we're gonna want to have an airy arrangement, so we're not gonna cram this arrangement too much. Baby spread in between the roses as well, beside our lavender fillers. The baby spread is about 3 to 4 inches long, but if it seems too long for your arrangement, you can decrease the stem length of your fillers. Doing this, we're gonna create like 3 styles of your centerpiece. This will be our first style of our spring centerpiece. And then if you are not satisfied yet with this arrangement, you can add more roses in the middle. and that will create your second style spring centerpiece. The length of this rose stem is about 5 to 6 inches. But of course, some of the part of the stem will go into our floral foam. And then I also remove the leaves so it will not be too much for our centerpiece. And this will be our second style spring centerpiece. We can play with our floral arrangement. It's easier with the faux flowers and they are not that delicate. So you can change the style whenever you want to. If you are getting tired of looking the same arrangement every day, you can just add more flowers, remove some flowers. And now on our third style, I use the same roses, but what I did was I inserted them deep enough that it will be closer to our big roses. And that creates our third style centerpiece. I hope you guys are enjoying our tutorial, and if you have any question, you can leave your comments down below and I will try to answer your questions the best that I can. And I am really appreciating you watching my videos, and I hope you will watch my other tutorials and my channel. It's Joyful Creations. So thank you so much guys for staying with me until this time on my video. And there you go. I'm gonna show you some of the bloopers. I was playing around with the stickers on my phone and it was fun. It looks so funny. So thank you guys for watching my video. You guys have a great day.